students, good morning. Myself Nimisha Mehta from St. Thomas High School. Today let's start our online teaching. My subject is moral science. We have seen in our previous lecture Unit 3. I hope you understood. Let's start Unit 4. Manners, a character certificate. Manners make a man. Do you know manners? How to behave? This is a manner. Good manners serve as a character certificate. A person is liked or disliked according to his manners. Those who are good behaving, they like, and those who are bad behaving, they disliked. Understand now? A person with good manners impresses us. On the other hand, a person with bad manners leaves a very bad impression on us. Usually, people do not like with a person having bad manners. Therefore, it is very important to behave good manners. Always बच्चे, be in discipline, be in good manner, be in good behavior, so you like everywhere. Here, they told about how to behave. A person who has no manners is dubbed as uncivilized or uncultured. Do you know uncivilized means? किसी को अच्छे नहीं लगते, कोई उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. Uncultured means बिना संस्कार के. A person who has no manner is dubbed as uncivilized or uncultured. A person who is well mannered is thought to be cultured. It is pleasure talking to such a person. Good manners is a quality of the heart and is expressed in the way you conduct your life. We are in good way, then we conduct our life in good situation. Good manners must be cultivated from early childhood. From our childhood, we treat with good manners at home also, in our society also. So, good manners must be cultivated from early childhood. At our home, our grandparents, our parents also teach good things. What is good or what is bad? One can learn this from various sources, especially our homes, school and books. In school also, teacher teaches in good way how to behave in the class, how to behave in the school, how to behave with teachers, other teachers. Understand no? And we also teach good behave with good books also. Reading is a good habit. Do you know, no, बच्चे? At home, our parents, brothers and sisters speak and behave in a particular way, very softly, in loving language. We can learn good manners from them. In school, teachers help us to learn many good habits. How to sit, how to talk with our classmates. Understand now? Whatever good manners we pick up from any source must be practiced. We have to practice, repeat. It should become a part and parcel of ourselves so that we behave accordingly wherever we are. In the beginning, we have to make special efforts to practice good manners. Later on, we will automatically behave well. हमको प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए, दोहराना चाहिए. One time our parents, our teacher, our guardian teach us how to react, how to act. Then we practice automatically. You can not only judge an individual's character by his behavior, but also tell what kind of family he or she hails from. What kind of school he or she attends and what kind of friends he or she has. Your parents took admission in our good school, no? St. Thomas School. So you learn in each and every step good discipline. I am also student of missionary school. So I know how we behave with others and what kind of friends he or she has. We keep friendship with good friends, kind men. Understand, no? There are certain codes of behavior for every aspect in life. How to sit, how to eat, how to speak to elders, how to treat children, how to travel in a group, how to walk on the road, everywhere. You reveal yourself by your conduct. Many times we talk, no, we aware you how to sit, how to speak with elders in soft language. We should learn the rules of good behavior. The lessons begin at home. As soon as we wake up in the morning, we should arrange our beds properly. Then we should brush our teeth, wash and change our clothes before going for breakfast. This is our everyday duty. Understand, no, bachcho? We should greet other members of the family with good morning. It's a courtesy, one type of manner. While waiting for good, sit quietly at the table without banging the glasses or plates. It is bad to grab everything and to walk with food in your mouth. Properly completed eating and stand up from table. After eating, we should rinse our mouth well. We must respect our elders. Never forget to use the words please and thank you. Always speak in courtesy. Anytime someone help you, you courtesy them with thank you. When you demand anything for any help, then use please. Whenever you talk to people, when we talk with people, then use these words please or thank you. Offer them a seat. If necessary, stand up while talking to them. Don't argue with them. When we argue this bad habit, bad manner, always give respect to the people. It is important that we stand in a queue to get into a bus. Once inside, it is not good to rush for a seat, pushing others aside. This is a bad habit. We have to stand in a queue. When our turns comes, we go up and offer those who needy. Offer the seat those who needy. Old age person, sick people. This is a good manners. So बच्चे, we will see this remain part of this unit 4 manners a character certificate, and we discuss the exercises and remaining part of this unit 4. Okay बच्चे, stay home, stay safe. And one thing, always I finish two chapter together and send these exercises PDF. So in next video of moral science, I send PDF of unit 3 and unit 4 exercises. Okay बच्चे, wait. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.